English-Tagalog Translation Lesson number 29. I said, don't do it again. I said, don't do it again. Sabi ko, wag mo nang uulitin yon. I don't have enough cash. I don't have enough cash. Kulang ang pera ko. Can you give me a ride? Can you give me a ride? Pwede mo ba akong ihatid? I'm almost done with this. I'm almost done with this. Malapit na akong matapos dito. Let's sit by the window. Let's sit by the window. Sa tabi ng bintana tayo umupo. I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't seen you in a while. Ang tagal kitang hindi nakita. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. Mukhang magandang ideya yan ah. I'm heading out now. I'm heading out now. Paalis na ako. I'm folding the towels. I'm folding the towels. Tinutupi ko ang mga tuwalya. I'm just checking in. I'm just checking in. Nangungumusta lang ako. What time are you getting here? What time are you getting here? Anong oras ka darating? I forgot to bring my wallet. I forgot to bring my wallet. Nakalimutan kong dalhin ang wallet ko. Do you want to come with us? Do you want to come with us? Gusto mo bang sumama sa amin? I'm polishing my shoes. I'm polishing my shoes. Nililinis ko ang sapatos ko. I'm almost out of battery. I'm almost out of battery. Malapit na akong malobat. too old to stay up late. I'm too old to stay up late. Sobrang tanda ko na para magpuyat. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Tatawagan kita mamaya. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. Kailangan kong i-charge ang phone ko. I hope it doesn't rain today. I hope it doesn't rain today. Sana hindi umulan ngayon. I love your taste in music. I love your taste in music. Gustong-gusto ko talaga ang taste mo sa music. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Ano ang paborito mong libangan? I just woke up. I just woke up. Kagigising ko lang. I'll text you the details. I'll text you the details. I-text ko sa'yo ang detalye. I'm not sure what to say. I'm not sure what to say. Hindi ako sigurado kung ano ang sasabihin ko. What are you up to right now? What are you up to right now? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? I'm feeling so lazy today. I'm feeling so lazy today. Tinatamad ako ngayon. Let's meet at the entrance. Let's meet at the entrance. Magkita tayo sa entrance. Do you want to take a break? Do you want to take a break? Gusto mo bang magpahinga? The pasta is cooked perfectly. The pasta is cooked perfectly. Saktong-sakto ang pagkakaluto ng pasta. What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? Anong lugar ang paborito mong puntahan? The soup is too salty. The soup is too salty. Sobrang alat ng sabaw. He's a better cook than me. He's a better cook than me. Mas magaling siyang magluto kaysa sa akin. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Hindi pa ako nag-aalmusal. Hang on, I'm just finishing my coffee. Hang on, I'm just finishing my coffee. Saglit lang, inuubos ko lang ang kape ko. The heater in my bathroom is broken. The heater in my bathroom is broken. Sira ang heater sa banyo ko. The store is about to close. The store is about to close. Malapit nang magsara ang tindahan. The kids are watching cartoons. The kids are watching cartoons. Nanonood ng cartoon sa mga bata. I'm ironing my clothes. I'm ironing my clothes. Pinaplansya ko ang mga damit ko. The dish is almost ready. The dish is almost ready. Malapit nang maluto ang ulam. Change the bed sheets. Change the bed sheets. Magpalit ka ng kobre kama. She's wearing a beautiful dress. She's wearing a beautiful dress. Ang ganda ng suot niyang damit. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? Nakatulog ka ba ng mahimbing kagabi?